Hi friends, welcome to your software. Today we are gonna see how to make a Vray camera in 3ds Max. Guys, this channel is related to civil and architect software knowledge. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and click the bell icon for more updating videos and give me the thumbs up. Okay guys, let's see the video. First of all, we need a Vraycamerascript, so I am going to get from Script Spot. It's been providing all type of scripts for 3ds Max. Okay, it's downloaded. Just run the script and you will get customized Vray camera icon. A beginner, I just copy the camera from one project to current project. After that, I come to know how to make a Vray camera by own. This may help you, just add in your subconscious mind. Guys, hope this video will help you. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you on next video. Until then, bye from Yasmin. Thank you.